As electric vehicles continue to gain popularity, concerns around the safety of their batteries in case of a fire have also come into the limelight. Although electric car batteries are generally considered to have a lower risk of catching fire than traditional combustion engine vehicles, there are still potential safety risks related to the smoke and fumes that can be produced in the event of a battery fire. One of the primary concerns is the chemical composition of the smoke and fumes that can result from electric vehicle EV battery fires. The most common EV battery types are lithium-ion and nickel metal hydride, both of which contain potentially hazardous chemicals. When these batteries are exposed to high temperatures or if there is a short circuit within the battery cell, they can release toxic gases. The fumes emitted by a burning lithium-ion battery contain lithium oxide, cobalt oxide, nickel oxide, and other toxic metals. These toxic fumes can cause respiratory problems, including irritation to the eyes, nose, and throat, nausea, headaches, dizziness, and in severe cases, unconsciousness. Lithium-ion batteries can also emit hydrogen fluoride, which can be potentially fatal if inhaled. In the case of nickel metal hydride batteries, they can release hydrogen gas and other flammable gases like carbon monoxide during a fire. Exposure to these gases can cause nausea, headaches, dizziness, and in severe cases, can be lethal. To address these risks, manufacturers have incorporated several safety features into EV batteries. For instance, most EVs have multiple safety mechanisms in place, such as circuit breakers, fuses, sensors, and safety venting systems designed to release high-pressure gases safely. Moreover, automakers have been working with fire departments to train first responders in how to handle EV fires safely. For example, most fire departments now have thermal imaging cameras that can detect hot spots in an EV after a collision, and they know to disconnect the battery before attempting to suppress the fire. Several industry experts have also weighed in on the safety concerns of electric vehicle batteries. According to Mark Kwoka, a battery safety expert at NASA Ames Research Center, the safety precautions taken during battery manufacturing, use, and disposal play a critical role in the safety of electric vehicles. In a prominent EV battery fire case, involving a Tesla Model S in Norway in 2019, the Oslo Fire Department reported that they were able to extinguish the fire without incident. Moreover, the fire had not caused emissions of toxic gases beyond the immediate site, and no injuries were reported. This incident demonstrated the effectiveness of the safety features incorporated into EV batteries and the importance of adequate training for first responders. In conclusion, while there are some safety concerns related to the smoke and fumes produced by electric car batteries during a fire, several safety measures have been taken to mitigate these risks. Automakers have put in place several safety mechanisms, and first responders have been trained to handle EV fires safely. Furthermore, although the risks of battery fires may exist, EVs remain a safer and more sustainable option for transportation than traditional combustion engine vehicles.